Welcome to another Rightstar Snacktime Snippet. This is our second part of our multi-snippet series on getting product and IT teams under the same umbrella with Jira Service Management. My name is Alan Reynolds, and I'm a Presales System Engineer here with Rightstar, a Gold Atlassian solution partner. So to avoid these issues, you have to improve collaboration between dev and ops teams and ensure DevOps workflows align with the product's broader goals. Time for Atlassian's Jira Service Management to the rescue. So maybe this could be illustrated best with a use case. So first, customers provide feedback on your products, defects and enhancements, which affect product development direction via the Jira Service Management customer portal. Then the product team defines its product and business requirements in Confluence using feedback provided by customers, for example, right from the portal. Assume the final goal of this is maybe to have a product that's scalable across millions of users and multiple geographic regions, all with expected functional requirements. Now, these business requirements are added to the Confluence page with all the other requirements gathered, while they're reviewed and then approved by the product development and engineering teams. And then the architect translates those business requirements into user stories. And those user stories are then sent over to Jira software to be worked by the development team using the built-in integration between Confluence and Jira. Then based on the architect's design decisions, the development team opts for a microservices-based infrastructure to be deployed as a containerized application, let's say. The development team then can focus on containerizing the application right from the beginning. And then an ITSM change ticket in Jira Service Management is created and assigned to the operations team. Now, this ticket describes work expected from the operation team in constructing the containerized application CI/CD pipeline for the development team. And then once in production, service outages are recorded as incident tickets in Jira Service Management and assigned to the appropriate L1 support team for triage. So in this way, by creating tickets in the appropriate tool and then assigning them to the targeted teams as the ITSM practice dictates, the clarity of business and technical goals can facilitate more seamless collaboration among development and operations and product teams. When applying such a strategy, the product and development and operation teams should identify and categorize their responsibilities when defining the product's requirements. And such a practice should continue even after the product goes live. So, furthermore, linking incidents and problem and change and configuration management ITSM tickets improves efficiency and reduces misalignment among the teams. And when all teams follow these ITSM strategies in combination with DevOps practices, they'll solidify their professional working relationships with each other and enhance traceability throughout the development cycle and avoid redundant and time-consuming bureaucracy. So once you understand the necessity of aligning your product and IT teams and the obstacles faced when you do that, you can easily appreciate the importance of having a capable toolkit to help you achieve this goal. And Jira Service Management is often the best fit for that job. So while most organizations base their product and DevOps management practices on Agile methodologies, the waterfall method approach of ITSM might seem like a little bit of a conflict. But the Jira Service Management platform, once it's in place, can empower your cross-functional teams to create the most value out of both practices. The JSM platform brings in ITSM practices like service request and change and incident and problem and asset and configuration management, knowledge management. And if you integrate all those practices into the one platform, Jira Service Management can transform your product-oriented groups into high-velocity Agile teams. And IT teams can use Jira Service Management's asset and configuration management capabilities to capture the asset and configuration details around the developers' machines and servers and applications and other software in the environments where products are going to be deployed. And product teams can define requirements as a request ticket in service management or as an epic in Jira software. And the ticket could then be defined as multiple stories in Jira software or as request tickets in Jira Service Management and assigned to the appropriate stakeholders or teams. And as the products develop, each team can use Atlassian's Confluence knowledge management feature to combine their learnings with details from technical and functional perspectives into a comprehensive knowledge base. And then once the product is live and can potentially start experiencing outages, you can use JSM to create incidents against that service. And then engineers can respond to those incidents and generate reports based on the details logged within the incident. And those reports can even showcase service level metric details. And furthermore, when end users or your customers require any changes to the product, the details of the requirement can be captured as enhancement requests, enabling the corresponding team to address them. And this entire cycle will iterate throughout the software lifecycle process, achieving the integrity and implementation of all practices from project management to DevOps and ITSM, all in one platform. So DevOps practices intend to expedite software delivery through automation and improve collaboration across different teams. And with the adoption of DevOps practices, many organizations started reducing their focus on ITIL processes, or maybe just left ITIL processes up to whatever the ITSM toolset vendor might offer out of box. But the ITIL 4 framework now offers guiding principles like keep it simple and collaborate and optimize and automate, processes that often prove crucial. So it's vital to recognize the potential benefits of integrating these frameworks rather than prioritizing one over the other. And by improving collaboration between the DevOps team and the product team and IT tooling and enhance visibility and reduce your incident response time and meet your SLAs. And this all results in a streamlined development procedure and a superior customer experience. Well, we appreciate you joining us today. And we invite you to reach out to us if you'd like to see a product demo of Jira Service Management or any of the Atlassian solutions, or just if you have any questions, see our contact information here on the screen. And please join us back for the next part in our series.